Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you are unable to install this update, that is KB5089549 or KB5087051 because of this error code, that is 0x800f0983. Now the first step is to restart your computer. Simply restart PC and then you can update your Windows 11 and then you can check. Still not working. Run these commands. These commands are provided in the video description. So type in PowerShell in Windows search box. Make a right click on Windows PowerShell. Make sure that you run Windows PowerShell as an administrator only. Click on yes to allow. Now copy the first command, paste it over here, hit the enter key. Now run the second command, paste it, hit the enter key. If you receive any error, just ignore it. Run the third command. Now run the last command. Now once done, restart your PC. And after the system restart, you can update your Windows 11. Still not working, type in services in Windows search box, click on services. Find app readiness, make a double click, set this to automatic. Click on apply, click on start if highlighted. Click on OK, make a right click on app readiness, click on restart. Now find background intelligent transfer service, make a double click, set this to automatic. Apply, click on start if highlighted. And then make a right click, click on restart. Now find Windows Update, scroll down somewhere at the bottom, you will see Windows Update, make a double click, set this to automatic. Click on apply, click on start if highlighted, click on OK. Make a right click on Windows Update, click on restart. Now once this is done, you can go back to Windows settings and then click on check for update. If you see retry option, hit retry and then check. Still not working, go to Windows Update. Over here you can see pause update option, hit pause over here. Once the update is paused, now click on resume updates and then once it is done, restart your computer, and after the system restart you can check. Still not working. The next step is to run these commands. So type in cmd in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt tab. Make sure that you run command prompt as an administrator only. Click on yes to allow. Now copy the first command, paste it, hit the enter key. This process will take some time and it will run a scan. Once the scan is 100% complete, copy the second command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once the second scan is 100% complete, then copy the third command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once the third scan is 100% complete, then restart your PC. After the system restart, you can check. Next step is to use Microsoft Update Catalog. If not working, you can open this link in a browser. The link is provided in the video description, and over here you can write down the name of the update over here. That is KB5089549 over here, and then click on search. Now let me change the language over here. Now check your Windows version, type in WINVER in Windows search box, click on WinVer run command. In my case the version is 25H2. Now check your system type, go to system and then scroll down and go to about option and then check your system type. For me it's 64-bit operating system. So for me it's Windows 11 version 25H2 x64 based system. If you have Windows 11 version 24H2 x64, then this is the right one for you. For me this is the right one. Now click on download. And then you have to click on the update, that is KB5089549, and let the download complete. Once the download is complete, you can click on this file, run this file, install this update manually, restart your computer and then check. Still not working, open Windows settings, go to Windows Update, go to advanced option, scroll down, go to recovery option. Here you can see fix problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files and settings will be preserved. So click on reinstall now. This process will take some time. Once this is done, you can restart your PC and then update. Still not working, the last step is to use media creation tool. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Scroll down. Here you can see media creation tool. Click on download now, and then you can run this exe file, and then click on accept over here. By default Windows 11 will be selected. Click on next, select ISO file, then click on next. You can save it to desktop. Click on save. Let the download complete. This process will take some time. Once done, you can click on finish. Let this close automatically. Go to desktop, make a double click on Windows ISO file, make a double click on setup file, click on yes to allow, click on next, click on accept. Now over here you can see ready to install. By default, the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer, so make sure this is checked. Hit install. After the installation, log into the computer and then update your Windows 11. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to install these updates successfully. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.